we have made it to Rutland, the second location that I was headed to. I got here last night, but I was kind of just tired and didn't want to start anything. So here we are today, bright and early at like noon. Yeah. Anyway, I came here to grab this trailer. It's already pretty loaded up, more than I thought it would be, but I think I'm still going to try to put more sticks in there. There's a lot over here. I saw some like on the far end when I was pulling in here. Here's this beautiful dually. I was kind of hoping that I'd spend a lot of the summer working on this because it needs like some sort of super long hours job in the engine to replace the like, I don't know, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna collect sticks. I'm gonna grab the tools that are inside. I'm gonna fill up the trailer, and then inside of the garage here, there is a truck that has been waiting for years to be started and driven. You probably can't see in there. It's unlocked. I could just go in, but like, bah. So I guess everything's put back together, and the only issue is the exhaust needs to be like hung up under the truck, but right now it's just dangling down. So I'll go under and I'll look at it and I'll see if I can do anything, or you know, maybe the best option is just trying to get a coat hanger and temporarily hold it up and then bring it to a shop and have someone else do it, just so that it's fucking driving, you know. Anyway, I feel like going to the store first and getting a monster, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, there's so many. I didn't even see that pile. I saw these over here. Yeah, there's a lot. Alright, well, we're now in the garage. This is the truck that needs work done to it. It's been sitting here for years, so there's just some things that need to be checked on, like, you know, this tire obviously doesn't hold air, but once it's running, the plan is to get new tires and like, you know, freshen everything up, do a tune-up, whatever needs to be done. I think I'm going to try to check all the reservoirs to see if there's actually oils and whatnot in everything. The current issue is, I believe this right here is the exhaust that we need to put back in. And here, let me get down here. Underneath, apologies if the lighting isn't good. I am still figuring out the lighting situation. Yeah, you can't see anything. Okay, well, basically I'll use the silhouette of my hand. There's an exhaust like right here, and the muffler goes onto that. I'm gonna line it up to see if it even fits properly, because I guess that's what the issue was, is like lining it up, because you know the piping over here is pretty long. So I guess that's the first step. I'm gonna just try to, I don't know, it's a bit of a like jank setup, so I'm kind of like unsure on what exactly to do. All right, get out of the way. Yeah, I'll put my other glove on and then I'll move the exhaust. I'm kind of lost on what exactly to do here, because it doesn't even seem completely necessary. Like, if we're having an issue with the exhaust, then it should be good enough now. If it like theoretically runs like it should, we can just drive it with the exhaust. Oh yeah, this is pretty heavy. We can just drive it with the exhaust how it is now, kind of just semi-straight piped, because you know, there's no oh, there's a little bit of gunk in there. What am I trying to say? Yeah, so this is gonna have to go up and over that axle, the rear axle, and then just go in like that. And then there's a hanger on the back that I see. So it looks like it fits. It's about right there, and that should go right up and over the axle. I think I might try to just approach it from the rear and put the muffler, squeeze it right through. But yeah, I don't know. Power. Hey, we got a light. This is a pretty good light, huh? Also, it kind of looks like there's oil all underneath the truck, but I'm pretty sure there's just a leak in the roof. Oh, camera's over here. I think there's just a leak in the roof, so that's why it's all like reflective and wet looking. I did like the little test, which I think there might just be a layer, like a tiny bit of oil on the floor, and the water just kind of like re-moistened / reactivated it, if that is even a thing. Pretty sure it is. Makes sense to me. All right, got my gloves on. Let's see if I can line this up. I'm kind of just winging it if you couldn't tell already. Whoopsie. I should move that cord since I'm not using it. I should move a lot of things, honestly, but we don't do it the easy way around here. Get under there, boy. Yeah, it's like that. Be very gentle not to scratch it. That's looking not too bad. Oh, God, don't rotate there. All right, now I might go underneath and do a little shimmy, shimmy-yay, shimmy-yay, shimmy-ah of the exhaust here. That might be a good shot. I have no idea. The lighting might be blown out of proportion, but a little side approach. And then just kind of tug it along. Here, maybe. Whoa! It's scaring me. That's fine, that's fine. The light's gonna be right in my face, too. This is what we're working with here. You might be able to hear a little scraping, but that's me just kind of grazing it along the ground. I'm lifting it up so it's not doing anything terrible. Okay, so that location-wise, oh, I even got it to slip on a tiny bit. So I believe this is how far the previous people got. Okay, so there's a little hanger thing up here. I don't know what that attaches to. And then there's the hanger over there. So it looks like one of the hangers is missing. I guess. I don't know if you can see. The little rubber gasket thing up there is where this hanger is going to go. So I already have this up here. Hopefully that wouldn't just fall off because I did feel it slip on a bit. I might just go to the back and try to slip her on, nah, man. Yeah, that looks like it has a ways to... No, I'm looking at the wrong one, that's why. Ugh. Oh, now. Yeah, so it's about maybe 2 inches short, it looks like. But I'm not sure if the muffler's all the way on. So no, just go back. Oh yeah, that can definitely go on further. Okay, I'm gonna just try to shimmy, yay. I won't do that again. Try to just grab it more central and then just see if I can. Man, being on wheels is kind of a disadvantage right now. That's under the truck, so I'm gonna try to just stand behind it and then kind of push it forwards directly on. Something not on wheels though. What do we got? What do we got? Even it's like a little piece of wood. Like this. I saw these earlier. I don't know if they're supposed to be like pads for laying on the ground for oils and whatnot. But that's kind of what it looks like. So I'm going to use it for that. All right, down we go. And then I'll just get a little... There. Yeah, just like that. Go on. It doesn't look like it's going on. Try to put it down gently. and get a look at actually if it's going on or not, because I have no idea. I'm all over the place. No, that should still, because even when I lift it up, it should still have plenty of room to keep going. How's it looking if I just kind of scoop this? Yeah, so it's on there a decent amount at least. Maybe I just leave it as is. Take a little hammer. Yeah. Ooh. These are terrible. Oh my god, they're so fogged up. This is... Alright. Whatever. Stupid safety glasses, am I right? Let's do a little maneuvering here. Oh, that's a little heavy. Man, this is torture. There, you get to see over here now. Stop fucking moving! These damn wheels! Oh. Huh. Chill out. Are we getting any movement up there? Ugh. See, at this point, I think the exhaust is just flexing when I try to push on it, so nothing's actually happening. Oh no, no, get back on! No! Oh, God! Fuck! Okay, I got a slight idea. Especially now that it's off. Actually, is there like a hose clamp type of deal? A ratchet strap! That's what I'm gonna look for right now. I know I got a bunch in the car. I'll be right back. Okay, I got a ratchet strap. But of course the strap isn't attached to it. So now I gotta fight with it for however damn long to figure out how to do that. I have no idea how this is going to work. If it works to begin with, this is what I'm thinking though. This isn't going to work. What am I thinking? And then it just undoes itself, because why not? I'm thinking. Yep. Oh my god, I can't believe this is like happening. Okay. Oh my god, I'm a little excited right now. Okay, ready? Yeah, right here. Oh, now it's pulling sideways. I need you to stay right there. And then, here, maybe, almost seems like I just need to slightly move these over because it's gotten that tight already. Maybe I'll release a tiny bit, put this in its locked position thing, undo it just a tiny smidgen or two thing there. I'll put this way over here. So now things are actually lined up out of the safety thing. Keep her lined up like it. Come on, don't give up on me now. I know something's moving, but I don't know if it's this piece anymore. Come on. Maybe if I use the hammer and I'll just like knock it loose a little bit, you know? Just like it. Oh, something's feeling like it might snap soon. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, that's the... Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Whoops. Oh, shit. That might be it for the strap. Can I not even take this off anymore because it's so bent you can't pull the release? I don't know if she'll actually get me. Oh my fuck! That wasn't very funny. I don't know why you did that. I'm probably gonna have to end the recording soon because it's been recording for a while and I've kind of completed I might just leave it here because now it's at least on enough where it'll stay sitting here rather than like have to take it back out and put it off to the side like it was. Yeah, well, this was quite eventful. Well, that's gonna end it for this portion. I'm probably gonna wrap up being here anyway. I did enough with the exhaust, and I'm probably just gonna pick up some sticks, add them to the trailer, and then head back home. Maybe get some food on the way home.